What's up, YouTube family? We headed on our way to check out Garfield. Garfield is going to be the one putting the engine into the car. So I'm coming to check him out today. Link up with him. Give him a deposit. And the car will be delivered tomorrow, as well as the engine. The engine's supposed to reach tomorrow. So we up here in Glen Olden, PA, man. So let's go check him out. This is Eaton. They sell heating parts, heating element parts for your furnace and your boiler in your house. All right, let's go up here and look for Garfield, man. He's got trannies out here. We got a brand new joint over here, man. The Rango. Timing or something on that one. Wow. They do a lot of wreck joints too. Got engines over here. Okay, that's a good sign, right? That's a good sign.
The next day.
Alright, man, I just went and picked up the new battery. They gave me a new battery for the Mercedes because the battery that I purchased had went dead. I got it last year, and they had to give me another battery, brand new one. So I'm getting ready to pop this in, and Monday take the car to the mechanic and get some things moving and shaking, man. So crazy. This was a brand new battery. It was just because the car was sitting, the battery had died. I would have thought that the last mechanic would have disconnected the battery. One of the posts. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to leave one post off. And also, the guy said they had gave me the wrong, this is a big battery. They gave me the wrong battery. This is a bigger battery. And the last battery was smaller. It was like to here. So this should fit. So let me throw this in real fast. And I'll hit y'all up in a minute, man. Matter of fact, let me see if I can sit this over here real quick. Get some assistance from y'all while I put it in. This in here. So I'm just going to leave this right here like that because I don't want to connect it. I'll tighten this one up for now. I guess I should just put it on there, make sure that we get some juice. But I don't want to connect it because I don't want it to go. Yeah, everything came on. I heard it. What's up? Yeah, the light is on inside. Man, I hope dude ain't leave the lights. Well, nah, I should have already cut itself off anyway. But I'm gonna sit the phone right here so y'all can hear the noise it's making when I go to start it. Front lights on. So that's the noise that the engine is making. I guess that's because it's locked up. But look, let me show y'all. Look like in here, everything lit up. And where's the mileage at? Should show the mileage. Radio on. Oh, there go. It showed it. It popped up. Check out the mileage. Alright, it's gonna pop back up real quick. It didn't come up that time. It came up the first time. Oh, there it go. It said like 58,626 on this engine. But the other engine that I'm purchasing actually has like 42,000 miles on it. It's a cool little car though, man. And it's got the paddle shifters. Yep, I can't wait to get this together, man. Get this running, get this to my little daughter. My little baby, she gonna be happy. And then I have the other Mercedes that I'm going to sell, or I'm going to either sell it or I might do a giveaway on it, man. It's a 2006, but it runs awesome. And I had it, this is a 2006, looks great. And I had it since 2009, I believe it was. So yeah, that's about it. So let me put the rest of these parts on. I'm gonna put this bracket back on over here, and then we are out of here, man. I'm gonna tighten this one up, but I'm gonna leave this one off because I don't want it to drain again. All right, let's get to it, y'all. Let's get to it. All right, so we got it all locked back up. Got the battery in, and we should wait until Monday and get the tow truck and get it up to the shop, man. Unless he called me later today to get it up there now. All right, man. I'll let y'all know later on.
Unbearable hours later.
We are on our way to meet up with AAA so we can have the car, Mercedes CLA 250, delivered to the mechanic shop because the engine came in. Finally! And he's ready to put it in. So that's where we're headed right now. Meet AAA, get that joint flatbedded over there, and get to work. All right, follow along with me, y'all. Yeah, so I requested a flatbed, but they sent this regular truck. But he said he got some wheels he could put on the back. So I mean, I'm good with that. I just want to make sure that the back wheels ain't moving and mess around and mess the tranny up or something, you know what I'm saying? All right, man, hold on. Let's see how they hook these joints up. I ain't never seen them do this before. Like the middle axle. Oh, like a bar. Like a bar that goes around the other side. Yep. Oh, I up on one side to the other side. These cars sit so low. That's what the thing be, man. That's how that pen probably got. It's like the pen got like a hole or a crack in it. That's how the engine probably got jacked up. It sits so low. I like that. These are run flats. These joints cost a couple dollars, man. This is the before. We're gonna see the after. Once we get it all cleaned up and get the fishbowl gone, get the engine right, we're gonna be alright after that.
No, estaba para el otro lado.
Man, that's exactly why I like flatbeds. Like, this is too much work. Working too hard, my brother. We got it now. Or should I say he got it. I'm not happy about the way it's on there, but we'll see, man. We'll see. Crazy. Stupid. I don't like that. Yeah, we had that joint all on the tire, man. I'm like, no, man. You can't do it like that, buddy. Pop a tire. The left side lower than the right side. They said if they'd have got a flatbed, it would have been like 3 hours. The shop would be closed by then, man. That's crazy. Yo, I saw this boy right here all the way down in Yankton over there. He all the way up here running. Yo, where you running to? Oh, a cross-country runner, man. Dang. Or ran about 4 or 5 miles. Alright. Yeah, that's the shot right here. Gotta just go over here, get around so I can see how I want to do it. Park somewhere. Got it over there, right there. See, that's where you want to put it. Alright, cool, right there. What's up, champ?
What's up?
How you doing?
A documentary?
I got a YouTube channel. You don't mind, do you?
Hey man, be out there, right?
For sure.
You gotta give me the link.
Yo, you see
Yeah, for sure.
I got to that street?
Yep.
That was a dumbass move. I said, what the fuck? I could've
Yep. Yep. I was like, nah, it's cool.
What it is that they haven't updated all the GPSs.
So it took you that way. Yeah.
I said I could have turned on that street.
Yeah. I was like, I'm gonna just stay in back of them anyway, though.
I was like, he will probably think I'm crazy.
Nah, I figured it was the GPS.
I'm like, what the hell? I could have turned right there. It was so easy.
Yeah.
But
We're recording what we doing the motor too.
Oh yeah. Yeah. You do that? You record it?
I do it.
Uh-huh.
The motor right here.
Okay. How you doing, man? All right. Oh,
Yeah.
this the side. Let's be on the side. Let's put like this way.
If I install this in the truck,
Trailer pin right there.
What year is it? 06. Might be able to resell it, I'm not sure.
because I put this in, so I get my heater.
Yeah, just have to resync it again.
He was getting it in this
So
joint.
resync the keys. When you put it in and
Dude,
switch it
look at
back,
all
you
the
gotta
engines
resync it
back there.
again.
Right.
See that one cool yeah, man, y'all gotta check them out. Gars Auto, 610-306-9516. After we check it out and see it put in, boy, everything cool. It's the hard part right here. Taking it down.
I was like, that shit was so fun.
These cars are so low. Axle, front axle, front and back, front, both sides, left and right, arms, I got it on here. These are shifting a little bit. You be getting it in, huh? You be getting it in, huh? Like a young man that know how to do this work, huh? This your son or this your nephew you talking about? Nephew. That's right here, that's cool part. Slipping in the window.
We do all the cool part, right?
Yeah. Do you do the inspections on them too?
Solid.
Yeah.
All this.
All right, man, we out of here. The car is there in place. How you doing? All right. All right. So the car is out of here in place, and just wait for the call, man, when it's done. Man, come and check it out and keep it moving like that. All right, man, we're gonna keep on pushing. See what we can get into. Holla.
It's caught in the crossfire.
Let me see your war face.